Like, I thought I was gonna be, like, accompanying you while you, like, made art, but I was actually the one making the art and you were the mentor. So it's actually been a great resource and outlet, and it has, like, expanded my artistic ability, like, to places I didn't even think could, like, be art. Like, even with this project. I would have never thought to do anything like this unless I was a part of this.
I just remember coming in and being like, yeah, I'll try it. I'll do a group project. I'll try this new thing. This sounds cool. I just never expected it to be like this, like, I don't know, insightful, I guess. Because it was so, like, I mean, starting with, like, the video, that was so much fun. And then actually using that to actually come together and, like, show what community is. It was really...
Well, for me, it was like I had, like, even though this wasn't really like an internship requirement to me anymore, I still like had that to fulfill, which helped, but it was mostly like I just didn't want to let the project down. Like, I didn't want to not complete it, I didn't want to not do it, I didn't want to fail. And it's always just like, it's always a positive experience coming here. It's like, no matter what I'm going through during the week, I know I always have this to come back to. On like every Sunday, like I'm speaking not so easy, and yeah, even if it was like after a rough day at work or just a rough week, like I could always come back here and know that I'll have a positive experience.
Yeah, I think the same thing for me, because honestly what really pushed me through was like, what's the end gonna look like, you know? And like, I think from the first time that we actually made the videos as well, I was like, that's so cool, and then I was like, there's more to do. There's still like an overall project that we have to do, and it's like, again, I think it was kind of like the idea of like, we have to do this, and like that kind of kept me going, so it really helped.
I kind of just like, I thought it was just really interesting. It gave me something to like think about, and I was like, okay, I feel like this is important to other people, so it should be important to like the general population, and I'm a part of the general population. And talks about community, so why not be a part of the community? I don't know, it was kind of just like, not something to look forward through the week, but it was kind of just like something that was like there and you willingly wanted to go to. It's like when you don't necessarily need something, but it's like something that you do enjoy, so it's like you go do it either way. That's kind of what it was like.